The Moen Edison high-arc kitchen faucet with side sprayer and soap dispenser offers a classic aesthetic combined with modern functionality to enhance any culinary workspace. This 87042 SRS model features a sleek spot-resist stainless finish that effectively resists fingerprints and water spots, ensuring the fixture maintains a clean and polished appearance even with heavy daily use. Its high-arc spout design provides ample clearance for washing large pots and pans, while the single handle lever allows for effortless control of water temperature and flow. For those seeking a comprehensive sink solution, the Moen Edison high-arc kitchen faucet with side sprayer and soap dispenser includes several integrated accessories that simplify kitchen tasks. The powerful side sprayer makes it easy to rinse dishes and reach into the corners of the sink, while the matching soap dispenser helps keep countertops organized and free of clutter. Designed for a 4-hole installation, this unit coordinates beautifully with traditional or transitional kitchen decors, providing a reliable and stylish focal point for the home. Installation is streamlined thanks to the Duralock Quick Connect system, which allows for a secure and fast setup without the need for specialized tools. The Moen Edison high-arc kitchen faucet with side sprayer and soap dispenser is built to last, utilizing a durable ceramic disc cartridge to prevent leaks and ensure long-term performance. By combining elegant curves with practical features like the side-mounted sprayer and top-filling soap dispenser, this faucet remains a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their kitchen with a dependable and attractive fixture. Pros: classy and beautiful design, excellent water flow and pressure, easy to clean finish. Effective spot-resist stainless finish, simple and easy installation, includes helpful installation tool, high value for the price, versatile traditional and modern styling, separate sprayer performs perfectly, sprayer is made of metal, soap dispenser refills from top, maintains water temperature settings, durable and reputable brand, clear and easy instructions, no mounting plate needed, responsive and communicative customer service, sprayer returns to place easily, long 28-inch sprayer hose, convenient and quick delivery. Cons: contains several plastic components, hot water flow suddenly slowed, cartridge failed after 7 months, replacement cartridge difficult to seal, flimsy plastic internal build quality, slightly lower water volume than older faucets, finish is darker than stainless sinks, less shiny than traditional chrome, not compatible with two-handle setups, longevity concerns compared to competitors. Features: spot-resist stainless finish, one-handle lever design, high-arc spout, includes side sprayer, built-in soap dispenser, 4-hole sink configuration. Moen Edison series. The Moen Edison high-arc kitchen faucet with side sprayer and soap dispenser offers a classic aesthetic combined with modern functionality to enhance any culinary workspace. This 87042 SRS model features a sleek spot-resist stainless finish that effectively resists fingerprints and water spots, ensuring the fixture maintains a clean and polished appearance even with heavy daily use. Its high-arc spout design provides ample clearance for washing large pots and pans, while the single handle lever allows for effortless control of water temperature and flow. The Moen Edison 87042 SRS kitchen faucet is a stylish and versatile fixture that blends traditional and modern aesthetics with an effective spot-resistant finish and an easy installation process. Aided by an included tool, users frequently praise its excellent water pressure, metal side sprayer with a generous 28-inch reach, and the convenience of a top-filling soap dispenser, all backed by a reputable brand and responsive customer service. However, some owners have expressed concerns regarding long-term durability due to the use of plastic internal components, which can lead to issues like failed cartridges or sudden drops in water flow. Additionally, while the finish is easy to clean, it may appear darker than standard stainless steel sinks and lacks the high shine of traditional chrome.